back with another video, and today it is the day before my birthday. This is my last day being a minor. I look a mess because I already cut the beads off of my braids. As y'all seen, these braids have beads on it. And hold on. As y'all seen, when y'all seen these braids before, they had beads on them, and I also started taking them down. As you can see, I don't have a braid right here either. But we're about to install this wig. This is basically my birthday preparation, getting ready for my birthday. I'm about to start right now by bleaching the knots on the wig. I'm looking everywhere, but already keep looking, and I don't like that. It's because I'm in the mirror, y'all, and I can see. But I'm about to be bleaching the knots on this wig, and yeah, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna turn out cute. Hold on. I got my quick glue, and I just have to go buy another razor. I don't know where mine is at. So, ooh. I took that one right here. But I just cut the beads off last night, and then I started taking them down in the car when I was on my way to the beauty supply. But I'm about to cut them shorter. I cut them this length because I was cutting the beads off my hair is long. So I'm about to go ahead and cut them shorter. Oh, wait. Who cares if I cut my ends? They need to be trimmed. I do care. So let's not do that. I'm not, because my hair is not even. Oh, I thought I seen a little hit. Wait. What's right here? I'm just cutting away. Not even looking. Just cutting. Ow. So I already filmed the portion where I got my toes done. They are so cute. They're white. I didn't show y'all them done because I don't need to see my feet done. But y'all seen that like getting my toes done. They're just white. Nothing special. My nail appointment is tonight. I have to. No, I'm on a time crunch. It's 10 o'clock. I have to take these braids down, and they're fucking. I'm sorry. And they're small. I have to take these braids down. I have to bleach the knots on this wig, install this wig, and braid my hair back down. All by 3:30, 4 o'clock. Because we're going to, I might not even go, honestly. Or I might just go late. I don't know why I'm doing this, but, I'm going to Boil Crab with my mom and my nephew and my niece, because today is my nephew's birthday. He was born the day after me. Obviously not the same year, but I mean the day before me. He was born the day before my birthday. How about that? That makes more sense. He's turning 7, I believe. Yeah. Oh, I got a cramp in my hands. Y'all cut. Yep. Now that these are all cut, I can start taking them down. But before I start taking them down, I'm gonna bleach these knots so the knots could be bleaching while I'm taking my hair down, you know. And then I'm not washing my hair. I'm gonna be so honest with y'all because it's just gonna go right into wig braids. So I'm gonna take these down in sections and then braid down as I'm taking the hair down. Cause like I said, time crunch. So y'all can't see that, but it's gonna be my 18th birthday. I don't even know if I said that, but I did. I said it's my last day being a minor. Y'all know what it is, 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 what it is. Oh, I forgot this AirPods in my ear. Y'all probably hear me real loud and clear too. But y'all finna get it. We finna start bleach. We about to get into mixing the bleach. Dang. I'm also gonna watch a video. Probably somebody's vlog. I don't know. So I don't be bored. But just move this for now. So, honestly, I'm not even finna walk y'all through the steps. I'm about to mix this stuff up, and then y'all about to see me lay it on here. Cause I'm about to, like I said, I'm about to watch me a little vlog. I don't know, or I might watch Baddies Reunion. Look at me, that's from years ago. Actually, I never finished Simone's story. Bye, y'all. Don't play.
Can't manage yourself. see you when I get too crazy.
Alright, y'all. I got my, hold on. Let me take, ooh. I got my cap on. Glue is all dry. As you can see, I'm touching it. It's dry. It's all clear. I'm about to go in and put the makeup on. I don't have nothing on. I'm just showing y'all what I'm about to do. Makeup like that. Oh, I put it in here. So, honestly, I usually use powder, but I seen that powder is easier to cake up, and now that I see that, it makes sense. So we're gonna use liquid, which is actually darker than my shade, which is actually hold on. Yeah, these foundations are darker than my shade, but that's good because it's not gonna blend better. Put some in like that. Start blending it in. This is also an HD cap. As you guys can tell the difference so far. You're already starting to tell the difference in the color with the makeup. And honestly, I don't really have nothing to say to y'all because I'm on a time crunch, but I'm not rushing because I don't want to like rush into it. It's not like I have to leave. I don't want to rush through my install. Plus, I don't have to finish. I just have to get the wig on my head. You guys can already see the difference in the color. Now let's bring the color down some. Now you guys can see that's dark. This is my natural shade, and then this is the makeup. That's too dark. But even if I was to like do my actual makeup with this, I would look stupid, y'all. So you want a color that is darker. I don't have no thread and I'm upset because I need to sew this cap down. Gotta find something to improvise.
Got a little baddie now, we stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. already know. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the home, man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go. Have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down.
Yo, I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you, I'm only you. Look, I got one virtual.
About to bring the wig back because now it's time to style this wig. I'm about to blow dry it one more good time, even though I feel like it's dry. Yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it again one more time.
I wanted that dance, the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, hey, hey. Yeah, but I can say my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. See what's about to happen. See what's about to happen.
When you down bad, where the fuck your friends at? They don't wanna be around that. Grew up in the church, you say your prayers when you going through. You always say you good, so nobody checks on you. I wanna see you at your work.